Hello everyone, it's Mr. A with Alisal Community Arts Network and Alisal Union School District. We're going to be on musictheory.net today, learning how to read music at level 1. Let's click on the link and see what we're working with. In this exercise, we are seeing some things we might not have seen a lot before. But what's going to make this easy for you, and I want to jump right in, is there are only 3 options. There's nothing scary. If you get something wrong, it's just a computer. We're going to learn as we go. What note is this? The note is the circle that we see right here. These lines, this squiggle, they all mean something, but let's just go ahead and press the first one and see what happens. Oh, we got that correct. We got a C. The circle has now changed. We're at 1 out of 1. We're at 100%. Let's press the next button and see what happens. Oh, that's D. We've now gone back to this circle right here, and let's see what that is. Let's press the third here. Oh, it's not E. It's not E. Our score has changed to 2 out of 3. 67%. What could it be? You know what? This looks a little bit like the first thing we clicked on. Let's go over here and try that again. Is this a C? It is. That is the note C. All right. Circle has changed again. We're at 3 out of 4, 75%. Does this look like C? Does it look like D? Does it look like E? Let's try the E again, see if that's correct. Ah, that is correct. E hat was on that line. Now we've moved down. We've moved down. If we move down from E, that must mean it is D. Moves back up, that must mean it is E. Try clicking around on this and see if you can memorize exactly what these 3 notes, C, D, and E, all look like. I challenge you to get as many possible right as you can. I'll see you in part 2 and explain more about reading music notes online.